basta magbiyahe kami sa Bakun, and I see the terraces, the vegetable terraces, it always reminds me when I was growing up in Bukias. Hindi natin kumboy si patatas, may kumboy si repolyo, because we are just basically neighbors. As I said before, amo kay aanan akyo, kaka-eskwela ko talit sa Limsip. Dumalas ko lang sa Limsip. Aliyak amo lang tayo din ang concept ka na ancestral domain or ancestral land. Basta di amo tako, dan nung tayo na ikat ako, si kabiyagan tako na, si panggardinan tako na. Aliyak amo sa issue ni Bakun ni issue ni Hedcor, kung sino man sa. But after coming to NCIP, I realized that ako gayam ay IP, we indigenous peoples have this great responsibility of preserving what remains in our country as home of the indigenous peoples, the ancestral domain. Pati may isang ancestral domain na kunada, anday ka na kaskarian na simple lang dito na papel or titulo. Ada ko na nga TCT nga titulo, ada ko na nga OCT nga titulo, ada ko na nga patent, ada ko na nga GLOA. Nung amin na dito nga titulo, mabalik na alam sa gobyerno or intel ti gobyerno. So ano in kanda kayo TCT or patent, nung karamdaman ka sa mabalik nga alam dahil portion nga dahil, kanda magbayad. Kanda dito nga titulo at gobyerno pinangutin ng tao. No, at dati may isang katitulo, klase titulo dito yung Pilipinas. Rare in the whole world, ako na lang ancestral domain title. Dahil dati titulo ti IPIS, katayo nga IPIS, titulo tayo dito nga, takbay nga arami pa lang may isang gobyerno nga Pilipinas na kunala. Dahil ito yung daga, kukwat tayo. So, kano mo ganun nga alam basta ang gobyerno. So, kaya nakaalan, o usalan sa pangaligan, agpakada lang. Agpakada natin kung na nga FPIC consent, FPIC process. Free, prior, and informed consent. Free meaning, dapat ito yung consent in the whole community. Informed, kaya nga sa doon niya rin ang proyekto, ibagana naman niya rin. And prior, kaya nga sa bago na garamit naman sa mga proyekto, dapat naaral lang yung consent yun. Kaya natin kung na naman yung FPIC process. That is only found in ancestral domain. Kaya dati, kalindigan yung mga pangalan ni Apo rin. So, nga yung mapaspasamang tata, issue to Hedcor, that is a result of the exercise of your rights. Dahil dati, pangkitaan na tayo ng IPIS, yung pangkitaan na tayo ng IPIS, na tayo came back into the dagat. Especially yung magpagay ni Manualan, this is the first ancestral domain title, and only in the Philippines, but in the whole world. This is the first title that was issued by the NCIP in 2002. That is the history of this land. I know the history of this land because I was born here. Dahil problema nga ito yung napantalyak ni January. Unang siya Hedcor. At dati buwa nga napirmahan ni Umili Bakun, Elders Bakun, ng LGU at Ikiribiyang. So nga nga matuloy-tuloy. So nga namin ni Atty Chairperson ko na mabang ka man ni Bakun. Ikaw man yan ang problema. So kay Maya ito yung Maya ito yung sinusok ko na kayo, kanya ko talaga yung problema. Dito yung mga namuha, yung magbagay-gaya. Nga, before we signed that MOA in 2019, you said that it is conditional upon them entering into another agreement with the LGU, the municipality, and the barangay. That information was not known to me. Nung punang ka na kayo, no? As a show of good faith, I ask you, I requested you, please allow Hedcor one more chance to come to Bakun and present whatever be the counter offer that you would like to make to the community. That was the second time that I came in Bakun. Diba? You allowed me. Ni ako po, ako na lang, in-strong ka lang ito, pwede ito, apay na kayo ito, at kayo mag-invited. Wala na. Binodcheck natin manita niya, ni Chris Pelnar, ni ang councilor. Noong po na, please allow Hedcor to make representation. But when Hedcor went and presented that on my assumption is a new proposal to you. They did not say anything. Kunada, they said, we have good relationship, we have a MOA, it was implemented. These are the things that they said to you. So the community said, we heard that before. We heard that too many times before. And that when you said that nakaisawa kami timagbalingan sa O, kada kayo in same manner that nakaisawa kayo timagbalingan sa O, kada kami. We said bad words to you, no? And you said bad words to us when we had a negotiation. Why not we start the negotiation and let us separate as friends? Iso kayo pa yung Monday masama na tayo. So ako lang, awan problema nag-issue kami this order. Apay, because that is our job. So invite kami to nag-issue kayo the resolution of non-consent. Resolution of non-consent. Kaya namasawad, you are no longer allowing Hedcor to operate within your ancestral domain. And after that, you issued another resolution requesting the region and NCIP to issue a cease and desist order. Last time or last week, Hedcor came to me. Una lang na, andaman tibar-baro ma-offer me. Kung adating, tanda man number, kada kami I presented the number to you, the Napan Kayo Kusina, I presented the number to my chairperson and to commissioner. Adating commissioner, hindi nag-present the J. Barbaroma numbers na offers na improve offer na kulada. But when you came to the office of NCIP last week, Kunayo, we know the offer, we understand the offer, but it is the will of Bakun to request for the issuance of a CBO. If they really respect us, then they should stop operating. The reason why they should stop operating is simple. We did not give our consent. Yet, until now, you are operating. Every day that you operate is an insult to us. Because you are operating without our consent, you are using our ancestral domain. So, sabi ko sa inyo, ibuyak ko naman namin, so I said to you, Mr. Chair, I have no inhibitions or awan kanya anak mga butang ang mga issue na CDO, ano yung problema nila. But, ito yung aming issue that it not only affects us, anak na natin mapiktuan ti Pilipinas, especially when it comes to energy. So, kung natin ako chairperson, nang tayo magbisita, nang tayo Jay, sa OT taga-Bakun, mas pangagal tumawag, inakakapin mo siya, at least above next month. So the chairperson is not here to change your mind. The chairperson and the commissioners are not here to dictate on you. We are here to listen, because it's our job to listen. We are here to conduct dialogue, because it's our job to conduct dialogue. The instruction of the chairperson to me, when I was appointed as regional director, is that we must always listen to the voice of the indigenous people because you are the owners of the land. The NCIP should not replace their decision and replace your own decision. So that we come here in respect of the FPIC process. Nandiyan lang siguro, may share ko. But before I leave the stage, for me, I take this as a personal challenge because it affects my hometown. This is where I grew up. So, kababain mo, kasi pangaligan, na pinatugaw ka siya, ito yung position ng awan marami ko. Rest assured that we will do what is best to the community, we will do what is best to the community of Bakun, and to what comes after us, the future generation. Salamat po na.